I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, March the 2nd. A different kind of day today. Cool, dry air settling in after the storms late yesterday. More showers tomorrow, but nothing severe this time. Let's check it out. This is the water vapor satellite view. You see the big trough carving out over the eastern U.S. that brought strong to severe storms late yesterday. That's going to pull down the colder air today. And, of course, we had the one significant damage area yesterday in McCalla, an apparent tornado at about 5:45. And the Weather Service will be sending in survey teams today to assess the damage to determine the EF rating of that. And again, it's a reminder, when it comes to thunderstorms, you expect the unexpected. I didn't expect a tornado yesterday. There was no tornado watch. The guys at SPC didn't. Conditions didn't necessarily favor that, but the Weather Service was able to get a warning out right before that thing got down. Didn't have much notice, but you had just a little bit if you had a good way to get those warnings. So it'll be very interesting to see the rating of that later this morning. Noticeably colder this morning. 30s and 40s. Birmingham at 41. Cullman 35. We'll expect a high in the mid-50s today, about 15 degrees cooler than yesterday. And you see the progression of the cold air extending down in here from the Great Lakes. On the watch warning map, got winter weather advisories for upper New England and a high wildfire danger to the west across parts of the southern plains. Those are red flag warnings, the counties in that bright pink. Again, here's a look at the storm reports from yesterday, and really that McCalla tornado was about it. We also had a tornado warning for Lee County down in Opelika. Don't know if there was damage from that. Again, we'll find out later today. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week, about 1/2 inch. And that's going to be with this next batch of showers we'll see tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So let's dive in here, model fans, and take a look. This is the GFS. The 06Z run, valid today at noon. Trough axis off to the east, and again, the air is dry. Going to be a sunny day today. A cool day with a high in the mid-50s in most spots. Should be hard to find a decent cloud in the Alabama sky. But tomorrow, here comes our next wave. Clouds move in here pretty quickly. We'll probably see rain moving in by midday, certainly tomorrow afternoon. This is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. In fact, this is showing a surface low basically right on top of us. There will be a little instability that's elevated, not surface-based instability, but somebody might hear some thunder. And I'd say rain amounts should be 1/2 inch or less. Rain will be ending tomorrow night, and then Friday. Boy, look at that thing off the Atlantic coast. Kind of looks like a nor'easter, doesn't it? Could be some snow for some of the coastal cities, perhaps. But for us, Friday will be a dry day. The sky will be mostly sunny and the high in the upper 50s in most spots. How about a nice weekend? Saturday, sunny with mid-60s. Sunday, sunny with upper 60s. Monday, good chance we see 70. We'll watch developments west of the state. Got a deep surface low east of Denver, and strong to severe storms could break out possibly across parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Tuesday, that surface low moves northeast. Another one forms, though, over Texas, and again, that looks very unsettled for the Arklatex. But for us, we're dry and mild. Pretty good south wind kicks in with a tight gradient. We could maybe be up toward the mid-70s on Tuesday. Wednesday, the trough in the west moves on to the east, and that surface low is near El Dorado, Arkansas, and that could be pretty stormy. And that might be a severe weather look. This is March. It's that time of the year. European looks kind of stormy with a surface low just south of St. Louis. So really both global models are suggesting that toward the middle of next week, we might have the risk of strong to severe storms. And right now, the target day seems to be on Wednesday. This is the end of the forecast, Friday, March 11th. Ridging building in. The system is gone, and we are mild and dry. Temperature anomalies, March 9th through March 15th. Above average for the east. Numbers coming off the GEFS. Still no sign of that late season cold snap everybody expects. I say everybody, at least I do. Numbers really peak around Tuesday and Wednesday of next week and looks pretty comfortable. Looks almost like spring. And this is meteorological spring, which started yesterday. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.